quiz contest. Are you ready? Now first question for group A. Class 1 and 2. The Aditya L1 mission is a space-based mission of which country? आदित्य L1 मिशन किस देश की अंतरिक्ष मिशन है?
Group A, not B.
This question for group A. The Aditya L1 mission is a space-based mission of which country? India is the correct answer. Very good. Next question from Group B, Class 3 and 4. Who is launching of Aditya L1 mission? आदित्य L1 मिशन का शुभारंभ किसके द्वारा किया जा रहा है? This is wrong answer.
Sorry, Anj.
Sun. No, this is wrong answer. No, this is wrong answer. Moon. Wrong answer. I repeat the question. Who is launching the Aditya L1 mission? आदित्य L1 मिशन का शुभारंभ किसके द्वारा किया जा रहा है?
Ao Dipansu.
Narendra Modi.
No, this is wrong answer. Okay, I transfer this question from Group C, Class 5 and 6. Sanskar come.
ISRO.
ISRO is the correct answer. The Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, is launching Aditya L1 mission, the first Indian solar system. Now next question for Group C, Class 5 and 6. The Aditya L1 spacecraft will be placed in a halo orbit around which point? आदित्य L1 अंतरिक्ष वाहक को किस बिंदु के चारों ओर एक हेलो ऑर्बिट में रखा जाएगा?
Mayuri.
विश्वजीत कम.
L1.
No, this is wrong answer. Okay, I repeat the question. The Aditya L1 spacecraft will be placed in a halo orbit around which point? Himanshu, come. L2. This is wrong answer. Okay, this question goes to Group D. Prashant, come.
Language 1.
Very good. This is the right answer. The Aditya L1 spacecraft will be placed in a hello orbit around the first Lagrange point, often denoted as L1, which is a point of stable gravitational equilibrium between the Earth and the Sun. Next question for Group D. How many Lagrangian points are there between Earth and the Sun? No, this is wrong answer. 5 is the correct answer. So students, that's the end of today's quiz contest. Congratulations to all the winners and my best wishes to all. Now I would like to request Suraj sir to come and distribute the prizes among the winners.
दिए पेंसिल दिए ना, पेन नहीं है,
दो से नहीं आ रहा परेशान
वो पेन ले लिया।
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.